Hello everyone. Often whenever I tutor students, they ask me several questions about why things are written the way they are. So I'm going to show you a few things here. When we get to adding and subtracting, most of us are pretty good at it. When we get to multiplying, that's where we get stuck, and especially when it comes to algebra. Just the look of the math problem can be part of the problem. So what we did in algebra is when we did 4 times 2, we decided that we can no longer use the x as multiply because it could be 4 times x, or is that 4 times x times x? So it became really confusing. We decided not to do that anymore. So we decided to write 4 times x. Okay, well then if that was the case, if I put in a 2, it looked like a decimal. So then what we decided to do is say, okay, well we'll put a 4 by the x. Well, if we put in a 2, then it looked like a 42. So then we decided to do a 4 times the x, something like that. So if we put in a 2, it could be 4 times 2. Now when I get to this very last one right here, remember that that vision is the same as that vision. That math problem is the same as that math problem. They're just all written differently. Now, of course, this one we didn't want anymore, but basically they're all written differently. But that is what you see. Now, when it comes to division, you're going left to right, but then notice everybody's going left to right. Then all of a sudden, it becomes right to left. And a lot of people tell me that they get confused with this because it's always going left to right. Now it's going right to left. Well, then in algebra, it throws in another kink. It's going up and down. So you're going right here, you're going left to right, 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 now right to left, and then up and down. So right here is where a lot of people get really stuck. Here's how I tell them how to remember. 4 divided by 2, which one goes inside? Well, I always say the first dog gets the doghouse. Just the same as 4 divided by 2, which is the same math problem, everyone. 4 divided by 2, top dog gets the doghouse. And you can actually chant that to yourself. Top dog gets the doghouse. So if I have 1/3, top dog gets the doghouse. And then I'll move on my decimals and we'll have another video for that. But basically, again, top dog, first dog gets the doghouse, which the doghouse meaning inside of here, inside of the long division sign.